If you're thinking about living on the water and you want an opportunity with either a mother-in-law suite or the opportunity to have a separate entrance for a short-term or long-term rental, let's talk. This is Christian Abush, licensed real estate agent with a real broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at TD Selling St. Pete. Now, there's a beautiful home that came on the market today in Madeira Beach that's on the water. It's got over 30 feet of canal waterfront, and it's just a quick drive to Madeira Beach and John's Pass, where there's great shopping and dining and all the other options. But it also comes with a mother-in-law suite with a separate entrance. So that gives you opportunities to have places for your guests to come over that don't necessarily want to interfere with your own personal living situation, or short-term and long-term rentals because there's no HOA in the community. Now, this 3-bedroom, 2.5, 1,254 square foot home is listed with Kelly Williams Smart Realty, and Cal Kilburn is the listing agent. This home is on the market for $959,000, and it is a beauty. You have open floor plans, you have updated appliances in the kitchen, granite countertops. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to just have some people over, enjoy the sunsets, enjoy access to the Gulf of Mexico, and if you're looking for an income opportunity, short-term and long-term rentals. You can see from the pictures that there's a beautiful opportunity to have just great guests over, great events, great natural light, and like I said, potential for income. Now, if this home is of interest to you, please give me a call, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at TD Selling St. Pete. It's on all my social media. Talk to you later.